Kokidama is a traditional Japanese gardening technique that involves creating small living moss balls as a unique way to display your plants. The word Kokidama translates to moss ball. In this technique, the plant's roots are wrapped in a ball of soil which is then covered with a layer of green moss, and then we secure it with a string. Today's video is a DIY on how to make your own Kokidama. So let's get started. My name is Ravi and I am a plant enthusiast from India. The first step is to choose your plant. So we must first understand where we intend to display our Kokidama. Ideally, a plant that can thrive in low lights or bright indirect light could be a good choice, as we might want to display it indoors. I have chosen two easily available Sansevierias, commonly called the snake plant. The concept behind Kokidama is to create a self-contained ecosystem for the plant, allowing it to grow and thrive without a traditional pot. The moss acts as a natural container, providing moisture retention and protecting the roots. I have here with me some live moss and coir husk. Now we'll need a potting mix to make a ball. We should choose our potting mix as per our plant's need. For this one, I'm using a mix of equal parts of coco peat and a garden soil. The sticky clay will help to retain the spherical shape easily. A strong cotton string, a pair of scissors or some gardening pruners, and a bowl of water. The first step is to prepare the plant. For this, we will gently remove the plant from the pot. Be careful not to damage the roots. Let's shake off the excess soil. Let's give it a quick rinse, and if necessary, trim any long or dead roots. Now let's prepare the soil ball. I am using a mix of equal parts of coco peat and a garden soil. We will add a little bit of clay. Add water as required to make a consistent dough. Adding some moss in the mix helps to keep the shape intact. Now let's divide it in two equal portions. We will make two half spheres. Let's put a thin layer of moss over it. The same can be done with coir husk layers also. Now here's the tricky part. We will have to gently slide it outward and invert it at the same time while retaining the shape. We will place our plant on the flat side while holding it upright. Now let's slide the other half on it. You might also need a helping hand for this part. I have noticed for smaller size Kokidamas, like maybe 3 inches in diameter or so, can be easily done, while the bigger ones need additional help. I have seen a lot of people fail their attempt of making a Kokidama ball into a perfect sphere, and it's mainly because they try forming the whole sphere all at once. I have figured out, instead of making a full ball at once, making it in two hemispheres makes it easy to form a ball. You might have to add some more moss in case the soil gets visible during the process. Carefully wrap the ball until your Kokidama starts forming a perfect sphere. Now we will have to secure the shape by tying it all over. Keep shaping it along where you find the soil bulging. Over the years, I have figured out this is an absolutely fail-proof technique and gives excellent results. We will now dip the plant in water to rinse out any loose soil or moss. Let the water drain freely for some time. The Kokedama will hold just the right amount of water needed for the plant while draining the excess one. Our Kokedama is now ready to be displayed. I like to display them on very shallow ceramic trays as it makes it easier to water the plant. Just put enough water to fill the trays and the plant absorbs it directly from there. You can also add some decorative pebbles, corals or seashells in the tray. The other option is to display them as hangings. Let me show you how I create a hanging. Caring for the Kokedama involves regular watering and monitoring. The moss ball is either misted with water or soaked in a container to ensure the plant receives sufficient moisture. Each plant has its own specific care requirements, including light levels, watering frequency and fertilization. So it's important to choose plants that are suitable for the environment in which the Kokedama will be displayed. And there you have it, your very own Kokedama creation. I hope you enjoyed learning the art of making Kokedama as much as I did. Now it's your turn to get your hands dirty and bring nature's beauty into your home. If you found this video inspiring and informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you never miss out on our upcoming videos on all things green and creative. Share your Kokedama creations with me by sharing your comments below. I would love to see your unique creations and the beauty you bring into your spaces. With a little creativity and a touch of nature, you can transform your home into a living art gallery. So go ahead, make your own Kokedama and let nature inspire you. Till then, good luck, happy gardening.